Good morning, everybody. So, as I had discussed in the video, we are waiting for Bank Nifty, which is opened exactly at our level. So, above 54 to 45.1, I will go long and 54 500 call option for the 1st October expiry. And one stock that I'm looking at today very keenly is Coal India. Let's keep a watch on that. And several stocks are doing well. Marico is doing well today. It's kind of making a bullish kicker, and Motherson continues from where it left off yesterday. And there is this stock PNC, which if crosses 74, and then we can do a pullback to 72, and we can go long there. So Coal India, if it trades above 510, I think it will move very well. Otherwise, it can go back all the way down to 504 and then even 502. Focusing on Bank Nifty for now, let it cross 54 to 45. And yesterday, Aditya had discussed a stock fixin. I found the chart to be very interesting when I looked at it. As you can see, it is quite bullish, and I think this stock will do very well on the upside. So yesterday, after trading, I had taken a look at it. There's nothing bearish about this stock. I think it will rock. FYI, I'm not trading it. Too big a stock for me to trade. Okay, Coal India. I'm taking a short here. 510 is my stop loss, and my target will be around 500 and this area, 501 to 500. Sold at 508.3. So just 1.7 rupees stop loss. It's a risky trade. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty has to get a buy. I think so. Yes. The Bank Nifty buying. So 600 bought at 196. And Coal India stop is hit. Now I'm going to reverse the trade. Okay, so now I have if it crosses this again, I'm going to buy 510 call option, currently trading at around 16.5 rupees. Let it let it trade once more above this high, and then I will buy it. But I have exited the short position. This would be a very good trade if it crosses. Then we look for a target of 516.2 on the upside if it crosses. On the other hand, if it breaks 507.65 from here, because this is also gravestone doji, if you can see, then I would be happy to sell it again. So I'm open on both sides for this. Take out Dixon from here, taking my focus. There's a good chance that markets may not go anywhere or can start its corrective mode. So we don't know yet. We're still assuming that the market is in an uptrend. We will come to know when it changes its trend. And then we'll start shorting. But the overall trend is very, very bullish. I mean, no positional selling or anything. Don't exit your stock holdings. Just be patient. There is going to be a big rally. One more phase is going to come for sure. That's what the current charts are telling me. Let me put an alarm for Coal India. Let's put it a little bit more up so that we know that it's crossing with strength. Since we're going for options. Okay. So as soon as it's right, I will buy the 510 call option. So Bank Nifty, why I bought 54,500? Because that is our first target above this level, right? 54,570. So that's why I bought 54,500. And the options are a little bit pricier today because of Friday, which is expected. So I did a fair enough option. Like yesterday, we'll just be patient and let our trades work themselves out. Stock is of course day of off day for now. So Tata Power did our target exactly today morning. So those who are holding from yesterday can think whether to exit or not. Up to you. No recourse from my side. So here the pullback can come up to 50%. Below 54 to 23, we might be well. Otherwise, no worries. As long as it trades above 54 to 37, which is our key level, we are good. We will get 54.5. So the PNC. So why I picked PNC is there is the Nifty Media is doing something interesting. It's coming out as the next possible sector for me from my analysis. So that's why I have set my eyes on PNC. I want to verify whether it is liquid and then no bans and all that. I just want to check. This is British Nandi Communications, not PNC Infra, no? Media company. So on 25th of September, it has made the highest volume of the year, and it has crossed all its previous highs. And then now it has pulled back because there is a bunch of resistances at 76 odd. So it came down all the way now. Perfect retracement. But now I want to see him show some strength. Okay. Figure has done for Coal India. Okay, I'm going to add some more. So I have now 4 lots. Our target is going to be 510.1. Top loss can be this 507.65. One is the 2 risk reward. We'll slowly increase our stop loss. Right now, I want to give it play area. You see how the market is sticking to 240. Yesterday we had the same thing happening in Nifty, and I hope for many of you rode it till the end. What a move yesterday. So I kept telling, right, 25th or 26th I'm expecting a big move, and it came yesterday as expected. Now what I feel will happen is just off the topic, is that we can expect some sort of a corrective move. I don't know when it will start, but we'll catch it when it will start. I don't want to preempt the market. I always let the price decide. We need to see a reversal in price, right? And it will not happen like this. So I'm sure 100% sure that the high that Nifty made yesterday and Nifty made yesterday will be tested, right? So once it's tested, we want to see selling there, and possibly this might happen in second week of October maybe, or after the expiry of Bank Nifty on Tuesday. I think 3rd is 2nd of October, the holiday. So probably Happy Gandhi Jayanti can happen on the downside, right? 511, 18.15. I have multiple lots, so might get book half in between, but those who are trading with one lot should look for 515 to 516 minimum. Otherwise, there is no point to risk reward. Very interesting candle setup, closing this 277, and you should see fire. Now the targets for the call option. If you hear some knocking noise behind me, that's my son, so kindly excuse. He's doing some construction activities. So we can expect some resistance at 200. After that, it's going to go straight up to 234. 234 is the first target where I'll look to book some things. And then we have a 259 and 297. So those are the potential targets that we can expect. So 234 book half, and then let the jackpot play out. I don't expect any jackpot today, so maybe 259 or 200. Real jackpot should come from Coal India, the most unexpected counter. I'll explain why Coal India in a minute. Bank Nifty is nicely moving up as we expected. Nifty has also started its up move. Good news. Nifty has crossed the day side and is up to the resistance of 52, 26 to 70 for resistance level for Nifty. PNC 71.6. Let me see if any change we have here. Okay, so PNC has got huge buying volume and it's at a key resistance point. So I'm going to take an anticipatory buy. My stop is going to be very close at 69.9. Current price is 71.6. So I'm going to buy here. And 69.9 is my stop loss, or 69, let me say round figure. Again repeating, not PNC Infra, PNC British Nandi Communication. I am buying 2000 delivery. Yeah, I will buy 1000 first and then more. Okay, I got filled at 71.8. Bank Nifty 5403. See how Nifty hit 26 to 70 and immediately got a jump. So now ideally it should make a red candle here, then some sideways, and then broke out, boom, to 26.3. So that's something that can also be traded, but I'm not, because I already have too many positions now. And one thing that at this levels I'm not going to spread too much. I already have many delivery positions, and I expect that the market will start a corrective wave pretty soon, so it wouldn't be a good idea to buy so many. Call option has moved to 206, giving decent money already. Fail it somehow. No, so it's as expected, it met some resistance, the 200 level, 210 level, sorry. Okay, let's see, let's give it some time, because this is a fly candle. It will take time to get rid of this. That's why we are exiting almost at the top of that candle. Minimum pullback for bulls should be around the level. Do some retracement. So it has retraced exactly 61.8 of yesterday's down move, today's corrected move. So now we want to see crossing 0.74, or sorry, this was not 0.74. So 54,401. If it crosses, then we say that the bullish trend is back. That's when the corrective wave is negative. Coal India is by 12, but C still hasn't crossed its high. We need to cross the high. We're already making good money. Well, I am, because I 1 rupee I get around 8,000 bucks, so 8,400 bucks. So that's slightly skewing the. It's just 1 point up from our entry. So today is a typical 25% day. Do not expect more. So that will come at, assuming an entry of 198 into 1.5 is 247.5, which is slightly less than what we target, or greater than what we target. So 198 into 1.125, 22.75. So with the current kind of midpoint we are aiming. But the sun is given for profit, gonna book some. The other interesting stock is Bharti Airtel. If anybody is interested, I think it will retrace the entire fall and go to 1775. Therefore, I'm not trading. Resistance, of course, will come in at 1754. Both that it should be smooth sailing. Targets could be 1763 and 1770. So the very good, made a beautiful bullish angle thing. Another bullish candle now. And keep the stop loss here and ride it all the way. आज साउंड इतना अच्छा है बिल्डर नहीं है यार बिल्डर गुड मॉर्निंग कुणाल just to update for everybody's we have currently 2 trades open and we have Coal India 510C open and we have Bank Nifty 54,500 call option open. We are in good profit in Coal India and Bank Nifty is below our buy price and I have taken additional swing on British Nifty Communication. It's anticipatory buy will come only after 74. Those are the trades that we're currently in. This is the Coal India. We bought it 510.65. Stop loss is 507.65. Target is 516.1. We are being very careful today because we expect trend change to happen in the index for a corrective period, but I think that will come when Nifty touches 26,305. That's where the sellers can come in. And Bank Nifty 56,500. Daddy. Yes, buddy. Clanger. That. You. Okay. Daddy. So I have exited PNC. Tata Power is really rocking today. If you're holding from yesterday, consider power between partial profits. Well, Nifty IT is very good, and maybe you're not there. I think you were there. I discussed Dixon, right? So most IT stocks are looking good for me, especially Dixon. But IT is very much related to fluctuations in the dollar, which is having a torrid time. So if you are willing to ignore that uncertainty, I think it's a good. But anyways, overall, I'm expecting a correction from around 26,305 plus or minus something early next week, and let's buy the next pullback, and when it turns from that pullback, let's enter there. So I wouldn't buy anything fresh right now except for a momentum play, because I think there is one more wave. Everybody's saying this is wave 5, but I think the wave 5 is set to start, or the last part of wave 5 is to start. I see market doing one more huge up move, but for that it needs to cool down a bit. So if you look at RSI, it's already reached 78, 80 levels on the daily. So this it would not be very intelligent to right now go and invest a big chunk of money. So if you want to trade risk small and take it, yeah, it's good. But I think there are better options than IT. If you look at ITBs, good chart for ITBs, and even if I take monthly chart, you can see it's in a range, right? It's been a range for quite some time now. And if you see capital appreciation also, let's say 40 to 45, that's in how many weeks? I'm talking about almost a quarter. And if I look at monthly chart, this move is what? It's around 35%. While if I look at something like momentum ETF, look at what it has done in the same period. We compared, I think, watch this move. This is also around 30%. So we need to exactly know which month it was. It is June. From June till September, this guy has given a return of 38-40%, which is surprising for many people, but I think most is done by Dixon. And if I look at let's say infra-base from June. So IT has been outperforming actually. Infra and bank fees. Bank base has done a very good fresh breakout, right? Even Nifty B's is in 21%, and it's also checked Junior B's. Junior B's has done around 27%. So IT B's has clearly outperformed, and the next sector cocould be CNX metal, because I see a lot of metal stocks coming up. And no, and it's on the verge of a breakout, right? So, and this would be a very good breakout. So focus on stock specific. I don't know if IT as a sector is looking good, because overall Infi, TCS, HCL all are predicting bad quarters front. But there are companies like Dixon who are doing extremely well. EMS may not be in IT, but it's doing very well. IT index, I mean. So stock specific and sector specific, I would look at the metal index from here on. But let it pull back and then then we will know. Let's say it's not the right place to go heavy long. That's my bigger perspective. There will be one pullback for sure around from here, roundabout here. 26,305 is the level that I'm looking at, but it may not. It's not a written in stone or anything, and I'm waiting for that pullback for the next set of entries, right? And I don't know who will get damaged how much when that comes. So right now I would suggest to wait for a bit. Going back to ITB, same exciting a bit. So it's a beautiful cup and handle breakout, so no problem with that. It's a good breakout following a very structural path. Then how do the stocks correspond to it is something that we need to look at. You know, all the indexes are getting, I don't know if IT index is going to get changed, but Nifty will have a new look starting Monday, rebalancing. So Nifty sectorial indexes, Nifty IT, yes, it is going to be restructured. Another reason to wait for it, right? So we don't know which stock is going to get dumped. TI Tech index rebalancing. So in Nifty 50, Bharat Electronics is going out. Sorry, going in. Trent is going in. I don't know why Trent is coming in after such a move. This is why the index. This is one of the arguments against index investing, because stocks are included when they are at their peak and not when they are the bottom. So that the strategy would be to build an index with the stocks which are going out. So for example, Divis and LT Mindtree is going out. So the contra way is to accumulate the stocks which are moving out. Right. In Bank Nifty, Canara Bank is coming in and Bandhan Bank is going out. Nifty Next 50, BHL is going in, Divis is going in, JSW, LTIM, Macrotep, that is Lodha, NHPC, Union Bank of India. Berger is going out, BEL is going out, obviously. Kolpal, Marico is going out, SBI Card is going out, SRF is going out, Trent is going out. Let's see in IT if there is something there. Where to look for this information? In the NSE circulars. Can't find anything on the IT. Let me get it and I'll share it on Twitter if I get it. Yeah. So wait for next week to see how the rebalancing works, and then you can position yourself anyway that the correction and the rebalancing are coming at the right time, coincidentally. Okay, just taking a last stock of our trades. Bank Nifty, pretty much where we bought it. And Coal India has given good appreciation. Tata Power has exceeded the target. So there's nothing more to do other than to wait for the targets in Bank Nifty to come. Coal India 516.1. It is consolidating nicely over here, and if it breaks out, it could move even further. So Coal India could be the elephant who dances today. Anyway, so much of it is up to market now. We have done perfect entry. Now trail it, and hopefully it will come to pricing. Right. Same with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty we are expecting 54,515. Somehow it is getting resisted at 54,300 for some reason. So Nifty is struggling at our resistance of 26,267, and not sure what to do in Nifty, but that's it. Prefer Bank Nifty for today. Okay, so that's it for today, and wish you all the best for the rest of the day, and have a great weekend. Have fun. Bye bye.